the same sky. The body is the shell, but the soul is the key. We walk between the realms, come and see with me. Human beings are two, a body and a soul. The body's made of clay, but the spirit makes us whole. It can leave the body, in dreams it flies. It lives beyond the death, it never truly dies. In this world we're more than we know. Spirits live in trees and stones and in the flow. The world is dual, the sacred and the profane. The spirit's all around, we can feel its reign. In Bukongo they say we have 7 lives. Each level, a body and the soul survives. The earth had 7 layers, from rock to the sky. Through each one we journey, we live, we die. In this world we're more than we know. Spirits live in trees and stones and in the flow. The world is dual, the sacred and the profane. The spirit's all around, we can feel its reign. Colors the birth, when the dawn starts to rise. To coolers the strength as the sun climbs the skies. Luvemba is the end, when the sun fades away. Pemba's the peace where the spirits stay. The other world is hidden, but it shapes our fate. Gods and spirits, ancestors they wait. We walk with them through each phase and stage. In dreams, in rituals, we turn the page. In this world we're more than we know. Spirits live in trees and stones and in the flow. The world is dual, the sacred and the profane. The spirit's all around, we can feel its reign. So honor the spirits, feel the rhythm of life. The body and soul, they dance through the strife. We live in the physical, but our spirits are free. We're part of the cosmos, the eternal.